Welcome back to the range, folks. Look, I see it every single weekend. Guys rolling up to the firing line with their tricked-out AR-15. They have got $3,000 invested in CNC-machined aluminum, ceramic coatings, and battery-powered optics. They think that modern 5.56 platform is the absolute pinnacle of defensive firepower. But let me tell you, from years of running drills and burning powder, sometimes plastic and tight tolerances just cannot compete with forged steel and heavy-grain projectiles. Today, we are dusting off the history books to showcase 5 absolute powerhouse surplus rifles. These are battle-proven workhorses that were dragged through trenches, baked in deserts, and frozen in the worst winters on Earth. They deliver a kind of raw, kinetic energy and bone-crushing reliability that a budget direct impingement gun simply dreams about. And the kicker? You can put these legendary platforms in your gun safe without emptying your bank account. Let's hit the line and look at the heavy hitters. Coming in at the number 5 spot, the Chinese Type 56 SKS. If you want a masterclass in brute force engineering, this is your textbook. Chambered in the legendary 7.62 by 39mm, this is the rifle that basically thumbed its nose at complex maintenance. It features a fixed 10-round magazine, a rugged wooden stock, and a folding spike bayonet that doubles as a terrifying close-quarters tool. I always tell my students, an entry-level AR-15 is like a high-maintenance sports car. It runs great until it gets a little carbon fouling in the gas key or dust in the chamber. The SKS operates on a completely different philosophy. Built with incredibly generous clearances, this short-stroke gas piston platform thrives in the absolute worst environments imaginable. Drop it in the dirt, submerge it in swamp water, and it just keeps cycling. When we look at terminal performance, that 123-grain projectile is an absolute sledgehammer. It easily punches through heavy brush, windshield glass, and intermediate barriers that would absolutely shatter or deflect a light 55-grain 5.56 bullet. There are no fragile gas rings to fail here, no expensive polymer magazines to crack under pressure. You just slap a loaded stripper clip into the guide, strip those 10 rounds down, and you are immediately back in the fight. Even in today's market, you are getting an indestructible piece of Cold War hardware for a fraction of what a modern carbine costs. Sliding into the number 4 slot, the Finnish M39 Mosin Nagant. Do yourself a favor and wipe whatever you know about those clunky, mass-produced Russian rifles out of your mind. The Finns took a crude, raw design and meticulously engineered it into a precision instrument during the Winter War. This is not a garbage rod. This is a thoroughbred bolt-action rifle. When you talk about engaging targets without modern optics, the M39 is the undisputed king. Just look at the history of the White Death. Over 500 confirmed hits in absolute Arctic freezing conditions, relying strictly on standard iron sights. While modern battery-powered sights are dying in the cold, this forged steel beast is ready to work. It throws the massive 7.62 by 54R cartridge. Ballistically, you are looking at a near-identical twin to the 30-06 Springfield. That means you are retaining supersonic velocity well past the point where a 5.56 becomes completely ineffective. We are talking about reliable, bone-shattering energy transfer out to 800 yards. The Finns sourced their barrels from elite makers, dropped in beautifully crisp 2-stage triggers, and bedded the actions into dense Arctic birch stocks. The mechanical accuracy is staggering. You are getting sub-MOA capabilities from a platform that your grandfather could have carried. It is the perfect example of how world-class craftsmanship will always outlive a trendy tactical gimmick. Taking the number 3 position, the Swedish Mauser M96. Let's talk about long-range elegance for a second. Back in the late 1890s, the Swedes engineered a rifle that was literally a century ahead of its time. They chambered it in 6.5 by 55mm Swedish. Modern precision shooters constantly rave about the 6.5 Creedmoor, But this vintage cartridge was achieving those exact same wind-bucking, flat-shooting ballistics long before modern chassis rifles existed. The M96 is easily one of the most mechanically accurate military surplus firearms you can lay your hands on. The machining on these bolt actions is so flawless, cycling the bolt feels like it is gliding on ball bearings. They feature a massive 29-inch barrel that squeezes every single ounce of velocity out of the powder column. When a typical 16-inch AR barrel runs out of steam at the 600-yard line, this Swedish masterpiece is just getting warmed up. Because Sweden maintained strict neutrality, these rifles were spared the horrific abuse of trench warfare. They sat in climate-controlled armories, perfectly preserved. You load the internal 5-round magazine, and you are met with minimal felt recoil and a laser-flat trajectory. For guys looking to put tight groups on paper or cleanly harvest large game, this rifle delivers premium performance without the premium price tag. At number 2, the undisputed heavy hitter of American history, the M1 Garand. Every time I bring one of these out to the range, the entire firing line stops to watch. It fires the devastating .30-06 Springfield cartridge. General George S. Patton did not call this the greatest battle implement ever devised just to hear himself talk. He knew what kind of raw destruction this semi-automatic platform was capable of. Let's break down the sheer physics of it. You are sending a projectile downrange, carrying north of 2,600 foot-pounds of muzzle energy. Your standard .556 spits out barely 1,200 foot-pounds on a good day. If someone is hiding behind heavy timber, a brick wall, or a vehicle door, the .556 might just splash or fragment. The .30-06 punches straight through and destroys whatever is on the other side. People love to complain about the 8-round capacity limitation. But in a defensive scenario, I will take 8 rounds of unstoppable barrier-blind penetration over a 30-round magazine of light varmint rounds any day of the week. The long-stroke gas piston system is incredibly robust, and at 9.5 pounds, the heavy steel and walnut construction effectively soaks up that heavy recoil, making follow-up shots surprisingly manageable. Plus, hearing that empty unblocked clip eject with that legendary ping is practically a rite of passage for American shooters. Thanks to the CMP, you can legally have one of these historic masterpieces delivered straight to your front door. It is pure, unapologetic American muscle. And the number 1 spot goes to one of the most fascinating anomalies in firearms history, the Spanish FR8 Carbine. If you have never seen one of these on the rack, you are missing out. It is literally a bolt-action rifle masquerading as a modern tactical carbine. Back in the 1950s, the Spanish military was shifting toward the select-fire CETME platform, but they needed a dedicated trainer and secondary weapon for their forces. So they took their legendary indestructible Mauser 98 actions, rebarreled them in the high-pressure 7.62 NATO, and welded on a bunch of modern tactical hardware. We call it the set-me-ton. You have got a fast-handling 18-inch barrel tipped with an aggressive flash hider. Underneath that barrel is a mock gas tube that actually functions as a sealed storage capsule for your cleaning gear, while also serving as a bayonet lug. Up top, it rocks a rotating rear peep sight, calibrated for combat engagements out to 400 meters. Why does this top a budget AR build? Because it gives you the compact maneuverability of an M4 carbine, but it hits with the devastating terminal ballistics of a .308 Winchester. Whether you are defending your homestead from dangerous predators or stopping a heavy threat in its tracks, that 150-grain bullet gets the job done instantly. The Mauser 98 controlled feed action is arguably the most reliable bolt system ever engineered. There are no gas blocks to fail, no buffers to tune. You feed it via 5-round stripper clips, run the bolt, and it fires. Every single time. It is the ultimate sleeper rifle. You show up to a carbine class with this Spanish hybrid, and you will out-penetrate and out-punch every modern sporting rifle on the firing line. All right, there is the breakdown. 5 incredibly capable, budget-friendly surplus rifles that prove newer is not always better. While the modern AR-15 absolutely has its place in the defensive arsenal, these old-school titans bring a level of raw power, proven durability, and mechanical reliability that mass-produced plastic platforms simply struggle to replicate. From the mud-proof action of the Chinese SKS, the frozen precision of the Finnish Mosin, the ballistics of the Swedish Mauser, the absolute sledgehammer power of the M1 Garand, right up to the tactical versatility of the Spanish FR8. These are weapons built for the absolute worst-case scenarios. Now, I want to kick the conversation over to you. If things went completely sideways tomorrow, would you grab your modern AR, or are you trusting your life to one of these battle-tested warhorses? Did I leave out a surplus legend that deserves a spot on this roster? Drop down into the comments section and let me know exactly what you think. If you found this breakdown helpful and you want to see more real-world firearms analysis, smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on those notifications so you never miss a video. As always, stay safe, carry every single day, keep your finger off the trigger until you are on target, and shoot straight. I will see you on the next one.